Hey there. According to the Federal Reserve Bank, did you know in 2017, US banks reported $1.5 billion with a B in nothing but overdraft fees? That is way too much. While overdraft fees are just one small piece of financial life skills, they are a huge waste of money. Last month, we had two students who overdrew their bank accounts because of a simple misunderstanding. I want to share with you what happened in hopes that you won't make the same mistake and suffer the consequences of overdraft fees. So, what happened? The students used their phone app to check their bank balance before going to Starbucks. What they saw was a current balance of $10, an available balance of $4.09, pending transactions, whatever that term means, McDonald's expense of $3.16, quick trip purchase for $2.75, posted transactions, and blah, blah, blah. What they thought this meant was that they had $5.91 available to spend, the $10 current balance minus the $4.09 available balance. Since I understand what is really going on, I find that logic very confusing, but it's what they honestly thought it meant. So they go to Starbucks and spend $5. Now they have a balance of -91 cents. They just overdrew their bank account. After some discussion, I realized that they didn't understand what happens when they make a purchase, what is a pending purchase, and why pending purchases cause a difference between their current and their available balance. So I explained what happens. When you make a purchase, there are several steps that happen behind the scenes. To put it in the simplest terms, yes, my artwork is lovely, I know. You make a purchase at store ABC. When you swipe your debit card, you give them your payment information. That's your bank account number and at which bank that they're supposed to get the money from. And you leave with your purchase. The store then sends that payment information to their bank. Their bank then sends a request for payment to your bank. Your bank has this process that happens with that request before the money actually moves. That process at most banks happens overnight on a Monday through Friday on a weeknight. When this payment request is going through this process, it is called pending. Once the process is complete, your bank then takes the money out of your account and moves that money over to the store's bank, and then the store's bank puts it in the appropriate bank account. At this point, store ABC now has the money for the purchase that you made up here. So in a nutshell, very, very simplified, this is what happens when you make a purchase. So what pending means is that something is about to happen. Your bank recognizes that money from the purchase is in the process of being taken out of your bank account, but it hasn't finished happening yet. The purchases that are still going through the process are pending. That's what causes that difference between the current and the available balance. So let's go back to the student situation. The current balance. This is how much money is actually in their bank account. So these posted transactions down here, that's all the stuff that's completed. That money has left the account, has gone back to whatever store or whoever you have purchased the item or service from. That's all complete. And that physically what's in your bank account right now is that $10. Once these transactions that are pending or about to happen finish, then what you will have available is $4.09. So $4.09 is really all the girls had to spend, not $5.91 like they thought. They tried to do the right thing and make sure they knew how much money they had to spend before they made their purchase. They just misunderstood what this meant. I hope this helps. Thank you, and God bless.